Hello everyone! Today we are starting our CSS lessons. In this lesson, in the first lesson, we are going to learn 3 ways of adding CSS to your HTML document. So, starting with a simple P, saying hello, we are going to do our go live extension. Yes, here we go. Our hello. Now, in our website, we need to create a folder to keep it organized, named CSS or style or whatever you want to. In the head, inside the head, not inside the body, but inside the head, we put link. In Visual Studio Code, we have our link.to.css and we have our rel style sheet for CSS documents and the href style.css. It's the predefined name. So inside our CSS folder we create a file named style.css. It can have the main.css, my style sheet.css, doesn't matter. Now we have it almost done. We have our document with the proper name, but we need to indicate the path. So we put css/style.css. Now that the two files are linked, we are going to jump into our style.css and change the tag paragraph, the P. We are going to cover this with more detail in a next video. Color red. Here we go. We can see that the color changed. It's red. The font size also. Come here, and here we go. It is working. Now we are going to cover the internal CSS. To use the internal CSS, we should put open and close the tag style. And here it's like a document. It's like a CSS document. We put the whatever you want to, the paragraph, color red. And the font size, so we will change the font size as well. There we go, it changed as well. It's not as often used as the external CSS, but it can be used some way. And now we are going to learn the inline CSS. It's when you put in an exact tag. For example, we are going to open another tag called for paragraph, doing goodbye. We have our hello and our goodbye. So we put style, the equals, quotes. Now we put the tags inside. For example, color red. It become red. We cannot forget that symbol, the columns. Now we put font size 3 rem. Save it, and it becomes bigger. And the goodbye, that's also a p tag. It's not changing. Why? Because we are changing just the inline tag, the inline CSS. It is commonly used for very specific things, but try to not use it. Try to have an external, always have an external CSS. So, thank you guys and see you soon.